Hey guys, Seamaster here, and I'm playing Brawl Super Smash Bros. Right here. Today I'm going to teach you how to find a proper gaming snack. So first thing you're gonna do is leave your gaming room. Then you start heading downstairs to your pantry, where you can find your epic gaming snack. Then you're gonna get your epic gaming snack, and then after you grab your epic gaming snack, then you're gonna prepare your epic gaming snack. And I mean, in my experience, this is my favorite snack. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want, but this is just my personal preference. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of this crap right here. You're gonna like pour it in a bowl. Alright? Just like that. Then you're gonna take your ketchup right here. You're gonna just open it just like that. And then pour it in. Sometimes I do like to go in here and get the honey graham sticks, because you can use them as a stirring device too. Yeah. So you're just gonna stir it all up. It's okay if you make a mess, you can clean it up. Smells delicious already. And just like that, you have your epic gaming pudding. A little bit more in there. And yeah. Now it's time to munch. Alright, now that you've finished your epic gaming snack, you gotta clean it up. Alright, so like I'm just at the sink. I gotta do a little cleanup. So just washing my bowl. My face is a little bit messy from my delicious meal. And all you gotta do is just lip it off your lips. You know, just like that. And then once you're done cleaning, you just leave it running, that's fine. And you go up and you get an epic gaming soda, yes. Alright, so now that you go upstairs, you can get into your room, your epic gaming room, and you just take out a drink and crack her open. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Seamaster signing off. Have epic gaming times. Gotta look away.